Hey guys, it's Sakina. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you how easy it is to make my new favorite paleo brownies from Julie's Real. So these brownies are paleo friendly and gluten free, so if you have any gluten intolerance, these will be perfect for you. And they're super tasty. I've tried other paleo brownie mixes on the market and this is by far my favorite. I will say this is not a paid promotion. I did not get paid to make this video. I just was inspired to kind of film the process of making the brownies because it's so easy. I hope you enjoy this video. Be sure to click the like button and hit subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And without further ado, here it goes. So the reason I really like Julie's Real Paleo Dark Chocolate Brownies is because it has very few ingredients. There's non-GMO ingredients, it's paleo, it's peanut free, it's dairy free, it's soy free, and of course it's gluten free. And you only need a few ingredients. So to start, you use 3/4 cup of almond butter, 1/4 cup of coconut oil, 1 egg, and 1/2 cup of almond milk. Stir the wet ingredients together before adding in your dry mix. Now I like to oil my pan with some grapeseed oil prior to pouring the brownies in. I have my oven set at 350 degrees. I'll let them cook in the oven for about 20 minutes. And then I come out with these delicious, moist, chocolatey brownies. It's a mouthful of chocolatey goodness.